Crumb Crew, what to do? I'm in Winn Dixie, y'all. I forgot to open the vlog in the car. Hold on. That bad, cause y'all a little dusty. But I'm in Winn Dixie trying to just get a few things. I'll make some potato soup. But I don't have 2 ingredients that I need. So I'm in Winn Dixie. Let me show you what I got so far. We got the Kellogg's Special K. They are 2 for $5. I might get the blueberry, but I'm changing my mind. But I got these coupons I'm trying to use for the expire, y'all. I pulled them in Walgreens. I think y'all remember, but they 2 for $5, so $2 off would make them 2 for $3. And then the little Winn Dixie check drinks are BOGO, and I love this tropical island soda. Get you some, boo. So yeah, guys, I'm trying to get my last few things I need in here, and I'll let y'all see what I pick up when I pick it up. All right, y'all. So this Classico sauce, oh, it's 2 for $5. And we got a $1 coupon in the app. Make it 2 for $4. This be good to mix some up. Oh, somebody said try this. I can't remember who I was watching that tried that. I think it was Gina Janine. Yeah, so Gina Janine, shout out to you. But I'm gonna try one of these vodka sauces. I saw you warming it up on some leftovers for you and the kids. So I'm gonna try that right there. And I'm gonna get my 4 cheese. I always stick with. All right, boo. And also, y'all, I don't have a coupon, but listen, I ain't never tried these right here, the bold ones, but I just like the fact that they stand up. So I ain't tried the nacho cheese. I might try them one day, but not today. Next, y'all, I was looking for some complete seasoning. I don't see none. Sazon, I see people using Sazon. I'm looking for a complete. This little bitty one. I would like a big one. But there aren't any. So beggars can't be choosing. So we'll just get this little baby one, boo. Complete if you don't get none. Blessing. So yeah, trying to get what I need to make this soup. And I'm gonna try to make potato soup. Comment down below if y'all ever made that. I haven't, boo. This be my first time trying to introduce my palate to different stuff. Now, once I can't find no damn turkey bacon, let's see. Find some turkey bacon. These used to be $1. Now they 4 for $5. Just call inflation for me, boo. Yeah, though. Okay, there go my turkey, my butterball. Ooh, I remember coupon to get that bacon for so cheap. $3.79. How much is this guy? Oscar Mayer. Oscar Mayer or Butterball? Oscar Mayer $3.49. Butterball $3.79. We're gonna try Oscar Mayer today, boo. We're gonna try her, cause all I've got to do is fry her in the pan. So okay. And let me find my heavy whipping cream. And they much higher than Aldi, of course. Y'all comment down below if y'all shop at Aldi or if you have an Aldi where you live. I need my heavy whipping cream. I got my cheese. I got everything else I need. All I didn't have was this heavy whipping cream in my washing jig. And I'm going to go on my rant about Hello Fresh when I get home to get ready to use all these goddamn potatoes they sent. Oh, out of cups. Use all these potatoes they sent. I canceled it. It was too much for me. It was a bit overwhelming. I'm a couponer, so I like to buy my stuff and, you know, cook it as I go. Y'all cook is hot too, boo. I'm gonna try to make some cooking with the children, but baby, we're gonna make some cake mix. How about that? Ooh, I need to get some eggs while I'm in here. I'm gonna show y'all the coupon I got that I bought years ago for some free eggs. So when I get up on the eggs, oh, I need some butter right here. Let's see. Blue Bonnet butter. I don't see no coupons. Let me look at my thing and see if I see some coupons, y'all. Hold on a second. Most of y'all should already know this is your girl coupon book. Yep, it's for real. Okay, these are my coupons for my free eggs I'm gonna get, but I'm trying to see if I have some butter coupons. Oh, and she the ghetto. Whoa. Let me hurry and get my hands out the camera because they a little ashy. But they're clean. Okay, I'm gonna try to get me some butter. I need some. I just ran out. 2 for $5. Comment down below what kind of butter y'all buy, boo. Is it according to what you're making? I like the Blue Bonnet. It's $3.89. Imperial is $3.19. I might get the Imperial, but it ain't big as this one. Let's see, 2 pounds. Imperial. Boom, we made our decision in the boogie boo. All right, let's get our eggs we need next. And let me put my coupon down, show y'all. Hold on. So here's the coupon, y'all. It entitles you to a free dozen of eggs. I bought these off of eBay. So baby, you know how long ago this been. I bought these off eBay. And then it allows you, I always get the 18 count. The 18 count because you can get it. I think they $4.69. And yeah, it's for free. Sure. Breast cancer awareness looking pretty good. Okay. Time for that. Alright. Put it down. And put her at my pocket with my this. And we finna head to the checkout, y'all. We about to head to the checkout. Alright guys, that's what our buggy looking like. I got a coupon in the app for $1 for 2 of them, so we about to go up here and see what we do, boo. Oh, he just talking his butt off. So yes guys, I'm coming back to end the vlog for today. I did my makeup. Y'all comment down below if y'all think it's cute. So I'm about to try to get my husband to troubleshoot me to show me how to work Final Cut Pro. Because I got to learn how to edit my videos, y'all, before Vlogmas come. So yes guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button because when you stay ready, you got to get ready. Make sure you hit your notification bell so you don't miss when I upload a video. And yeah, y'all. Alright guys, we're going to check y'all in the next video. Alright, bye. Bye.